Good evening. Today we're going to look at the Adafruit package that we got that has our soil moisture sensor in it. We're going to need something more to open this up apparently. Alright. So let's see. Nice packing slip. We got the soil moisture sensor here, and of course to use this you need the wire as well. So we have this adapter cable, and we're going to plug that directly into our soil moisture sensor right here, and then piggyback onto the PCB board. So here's some wires so we can do the piggyback. We need a little RGB LED just for fun. Doesn't really have a purpose yet in this project, but it will. Python sticker. Definitely had to have one of those. This is just an adapter that makes it easier to get the Raspberry Pi cable into a breadboard like this one here. And that's it. Alright, we're going to take the black wire here and go to ground, which is pin 6 on the Raspberry Pi. We're going to take the positive wire here and we're going to go to pin 1, 3V3. We're going to take the white wire here and go to SDA, which is pin 3 on the Raspberry Pi. And then finally we're going to take the green wire and go to pin 5, which is the SCL. So, we have our sensor cable connected here, as you can see on the Raspberry Pi, and it's ready to be connected to our sensor. So while that's going, basically everything that's going to be operating is going to be on one of these small Raspberry Pis. It's a very small single board computer, SBC. Got a Raspberry Pi SD chip here. Now, we're using it on a different device over here. This is a Raspberry Pi as well, but we put a different SD card inside of it. So we already have our wires connected right here, as you can see, and they're ready to go. They're going to be connecting directly to this sensor right here. We're going to take this sensor out of the bag when we get to that step, connect it up to this wire here, and then push it right down into that soil. We're going to get an initial reading. After that, we're going to add some water and watch the results. While the installation finishes, let's go ahead and open our soil moisture sensor. And there you have it. This is our soil moisture sensor. It's capacitive. It's got a nice little chip on it already. And it also has a temperature sensor in it as well. Adafruit's really doing some cool stuff and making it a lot easier for people like me to just have a great time and build something creative. So what we're working on right now is my automatic plant feeding system. I'm going to be building a system that will be able to test the soil levels. The moisture, the pH levels, the temperature. We're going to also be able to test the humidity in a room, how far away your grow lights are from your plants. All of that's going to be inclusive. This will be run through a PHP Laravel front end. All the information is going to come through Python through these sensors from Adafruit. I'm going to put that data into a MariaDB, and then I'm going to pull that back into my Laravel project. We're going to have meters, live sensors, automation, and what we'll be able to do is, with knowing the pH levels and the moisture levels, we can make sure that our soil is nutrient rich and ready to give us the best yields on all of our plant life.